Good morning everyone. Bonjour tout le monde. Moi souhaite nous te passer une bonne nuit. Par la grâce de Dieu. C'est moi encore Lionel George, TLC. Je dis à moi parler non de bénéfices. TLC gen la dan là ou vini un distributeur ou life changer. Qui va les bénéfices qu'il gagne, comment ka trouver la dan et qui ka aider ou en extra income. Si vous avez volonté, si vous choisissez travail en business TLC. Et puis qui travaille, c'est pas tout travail, c'est juste ou promouvoir business ou aider l'autre monde comprendre business là. Même genre même ou acheter produit yo, ou acheter produit ou utiliser produit, okay? The product is amazing, guy. If you try the product, it's work for you. Why not to share it with somebody else? You need help. He need help too, right? Our mission here is help each other and love each other, period, okay? So good thing always need to be shared with someone. TLC is a good company, it's an amazing company. It have a lot of opportunity, so anybody can join this company to change your life. He got so many amazing products, like we have detox tea, ISO tea, and we got NutriBurst as a vitamins. Anybody can take it. It's good if someone need to lose some pound, to lose weight. Those products work so good if you follow the direction. You follow the direction how to take the product. If you try to lose weight, I got good stuff for you, can help you out. Just give me a call and 347-616-5221, or you can inbox me on my Facebook page. You can just click on the link below. It can take you through the website. On the website, and inside the website, you will see anything good for you if you want to lose weight. If you want to lose weight, I can give you a basic on what you have to do. It's the first thing, you have to take NutriBurst as a vitamins, and you take the energy. This energy burning fat, and it give you energy, it give you focus, clarity, it make you feel good, and also it burn 300 calories per capsule. One capsule per day for adult. Sometimes you can take two, but one for day for adult. This burn 300 calories. And you have ISO tea, you got a brewing one, you got an instant one. The instant one, you don't need to brew it, it's a tea like to go tea. You just take two of them like this. Let me show you. That's the intensity. You get two of these, you put it in the bottle of water, you just shake it very well, and after that you drink it in the morning before you eat breakfast. And you can take it morning, at night, after lunch, and when you go to bed you can take it too. It's work for you. And for the do one, you brew this tea and you let it go for 4 to 8 hours. After a while, you put it on your gallon or anything you need, you can take it, you put it on the fridge, and you drink it every morning, after lunch, and at night, if you stay at home, okay? But if you don't stay at home, the incense tea, it's better for you to use, okay? But both work the same way. You get result from them, okay? Tout travail même genre, ni te ki bouillia, ni te ki pas bouillia, ou mettez dans bouteille juste que l'eau boile. Il suffit que vous boivez dès ou boilez avant manger, pendant 30 minutes avant manger. Et puis, il y a des gens qui ont besoin de résultats extraordinaires. Donc, vous avez besoin, ou en pile, ou tu as besoin de perdre 10 pounds chaque jour, 4 pounds. You're gonna take this with you. Okay, the resolution is the number one. That one is do a lot of work on your body. And if you wanna order it, when you finish to order it, you can call me. I can give you, the explanation how to take it, to make it work easy way for you, to make it work fast, how you want it, okay? So when you bought this, you have to take the resolution, you have to take the NutriBus, you take this if you wanna lose weight, these two, and you take the T, and you take the energy, okay? This four, you see? NutriBus, energy, the T, and the resolution. If you wanna lose some pound, okay? If you wanna look good, you can take them. It's gonna help you out. And also we got product for people who wanna gain weight. Like I said before in my videos, you have product for everyone. You have product for people who wanna lose weight. You got people for people who wanna get muscle, gain weight or get muscle, and you have product for joint pain, muscle pain. We got product for you too. Then after T, you got so many amazing product there, guys. TLC is a great opportunity. If you can join TLC, you will not be regretted. And then you will call me later and say thanks, man, to give me that opportunity to join this amazing company called TLC. I always thank you, the founder, Mr. Jack Fallon, the CEO of TLC, for the amazing company that he brings out there for us. I feel really good about it. And I'm pretty sure that everybody would take advantage of it. Because, guys, there is nothing to lose. There is nothing to do. Just you go ahead and you sign up to become a distributor or a life changer like I am. And some more people to just want to use the product. You go as a customer, become a member of customers, and then you sign up, you buy a product, and you use the product. When you consume the product, it's gonna work for you. I know it's work for you. Look for it. TLC is the #1, okay? The ISOT, NutriBus, is the #1 key to help you with your weight loss, okay? TLC is good. When you choose the TLC, you choose your life. You change your life, because TLC changed my life, changed my wife's life, my family life, everybody's life from my side. Therefore, you need to take benefits of this opportunity. I bring it to you. If you take it serious, guys, you will do good with TLC. You will make extra cash, extra money, beside of your job, beside of your paycheck. You will have extra income. If you take it seriously, you will get good money. When you share something good with people, you save lives, you change life. TLC changed my life. I want to change your life, and you're going to change somebody else's life, okay? Become a distributor today. Sign up to my link, the website, join the company. Become a life changer. Become a distributor, or become a customer. You want to buy the product, you don't know exactly what to buy for your needs, just give me a call at 347-616-5221. 347-616-5221. You can WhatsApp me. You can call, direct call, okay? Call me directly. Or go ahead, you can inbox me too on my Facebook page. Then, what can I say? You can go to the website, just click and become a life changer. You will see benefits of it. TLC is good. It changes people's life. We can change the world by changing people's life, guys. Come and join my team. Come and support me. Come and support me with my company. Buy the products, use the products, share the products with friends, family. Share the testimony with anybody you see. You can help to change their life too, okay? TLC is amazing, guys. I love TLC. I love them. You know that? This is my number one thing is right here. The vitamins NutriBurst. It's number one key for me. I love it. That's all I do in my house. That's all I use. I don't use anything else. Guys, if you wanna live long, if you wanna live healthy, because health is wealth, you wanna enjoy your life, enjoy your family, enjoy your house, enjoy whatever you're doing, you need to be healthy, right? So therefore, I bring you all the product who can keep you healthy, you and your family. Guys, take care of yourself. Nobody else will take it up. Nobody else will do it for you. You have to do it yourself, okay? Change your life, change your lifestyle, you know what I mean? It's gonna help you. When you take tea, when you drink tea, cut off all the soda. Cut off the soda in your life. The big food like red meat stuff, spaghetti stuff, pasta. No, cut them off. Eat well. Drink tea all day, all night long. Drink tea. Tea is good for you. It helps you with a lot of, issues in your body. The tea flush you out. This will detoxing your body. Detox tea, it's clean you, clean your gut, okay? It's clean your colons, your intestines. The tea is clean you out. That's why you need to take it with the vitamin. Whenever you flush out all those toxic food and stuff, that's a replacement. You just take this to fill your body with the vitamin, the good vitamin, okay? Drink tea, guys. Eat more salads and fruit, vegetable. Eat well, eat healthy. It's gonna help you. I love you guys. That's why I bring you TLC. So take it seriously, guys. Join me. Join this amazing company. TLC is good. Guys, vin join TLC, ok? Vin join moi nan team moi. An nou fon sel pou marcher ak TLC. TLC se yon compagnie qui bon ba pile opportunité k'ap aider moun. Premièrement, gérer santé ou pour vivre bien, pour la vie femme, pour la vie pa ou, pour sentir bien. Là wa boire TLC yo. A sortir instant ça va juste vider dans bouteille sous que l'eau boire avec l'autre là au bouillir si c'est là kay ou bouillir c'est nan men comme ça va sortir monter descendre au bouillir ou juste partir à sachet dans bag ou dans valise ou dans machine ou juste vider un bidon de l'eau ou mettez l'eau en vissoir ou juste souker à faire ou boire. C'est clean tout colonne. On commence à me dire là, il fait ventre ou vient descendre, il plate ou perd du poids, il détoxique tout chimique qui est en dedans, détoxique manger, on est ici manger